Hello, everybody. Today I had a little message come through this morning about death. Such a taboo subject in the West. And why? Why is it? Why is it that we fear death, for one? And why don't we talk about it? Maybe if we talked about it more, we wouldn't fear it so much. So it sounds like it could be, a darker or potentially negative topic, but think about it this way. There's a 100% chance that you're going to die. And I might be smiling. I'm not happy that anybody's going to die or anything's going to die, but I'm happy at realizing the truth and really embracing the knowledge and accepting and not avoiding every aspect of life. To be in denial of death is to be in denial of life. It's simply the yin to the yang. It's the other half of the cycle. It's spring now, and so we see life all around us blooming, and it's beautiful. And what would it be without death? It would be overgrown. There would be flowers everywhere, and then they wouldn't be special. Everything comes to an end. Every cycle has an up and a down. Now, we can take solace in the fact that knowing that essentially energy is eternal. And that's you too. So yeah, the only thing that dies is the body. Sometimes the memories, the past fades, time heals. We move on, and that includes from this body and from this life. But there's something after. There was something before, and there will be something after, forever and ever. The law of conservation of energy. Our physics already describes how energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. E equals mc squared. Einstein formulated the direct connection between energy and mass. Mass being energy and form, matter. And then that eternal energy that can never die but only be transmuted. Conservation of energy, laws of thermodynamics. Then we have quantum physics that talk about the little tiny particles constantly blinking in and out of existence. Our atoms are 99.9% empty space. So what are you afraid of losing? 0.1% of what you are? It's beautiful though. Look at these faces, look at these bodies, look at these flowers, these cars, these clouds, these trees, the mountains, the rivers. It's all beautiful. It's so beautiful. And that's energy and form. And yeah, let's enjoy it. Enjoy it while it lasts. But everything will end, and that's okay. The faster we accept that, the faster we end our suffering. So listen, it's like this. Even if humans found out a way to bioengineer themselves with robot parts where we could live for millions of years, still gonna die one day. One day the entire earth will either be sucked into the sun and burn up, or our entire Milky Way will be sucked into a black hole. And what happens in a black hole, that's where the energy recycling occurs in the universe, and this happens on billions of year cycles. So we don't have to worry about it this life, but the energy funnels into a black hole, essentially gets destroyed or compressed, returned back to nothingness, the source, and then it shoots out the other end in what the scientists were calling a Big Bang and the creation of a new universe. Then we go through another multiple billion year cycle of having that universe and life and growth, expansion before the contraction. It's a natural part of the cycle. Let's embrace it. We don't have to be in a rush. It's going to happen. We don't have to think about it too much, but we don't have to fear it. We don't have to worry. I've actually personally died this life, once physical, once spiritual, and it's amazing. Maybe one of the best things that's ever happened. And like I said, I'm not in a rush. I've got lots of things to do in this body. and it'll be great. Maybe in another video I'll explain my experience of having no body, of being in a place with no form, no sounds, no shapes, no smells, nothing to touch, nowhere to be, no one to be, nowhere to go. It's so freeing. This body is heavy, but like I said, let's enjoy this life right now. And that includes, if we can, eliminating our suffering. And so we don't have to be afraid of death. We're not scared when the sun goes down, right, and it turns to nighttime. What's the difference? You are eternal. You're eternal energy, forever lasting, forever and ever, experiencing something new each and every time, each and every day, each and every life, and each and every cycle of the universe, of the planets, of the stars, and the nothingness, the space in between. The space that holds all things, the entire universe, and all of its happenings occur within empty space. And you're 99% empty space. Love you all. Have a good day.